Hello everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products to enhance your lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with an essential item for all above-ground pool owners: the Robelle 3724-4 Supreme Winter Pool Cover. This is undoubtedly the best 24-foot round pool winter cover on the market, and I'm excited to share why it deserves a spot in your pool care arsenal. Now, winterizing your pool can be a daunting task, but with the right cover, it becomes a breeze. The Robelle Supreme Winter Pool Cover is designed specifically for 24-foot above-ground pools. It's not just any cover, it's crafted from high-quality, extra heavy-duty polyethylene material, ensuring that it stands the test of time against harsh winter elements. As you can see, this cover features a robust 12 by 12 scrim, which is a key indicator of its durability. What does that mean for you? It means this cover is strong enough to withstand snow, ice, and whatever else Mother Nature throws your way. It's designed to not let water seep through, which is crucial for preventing any unwanted algae growth during those colder months. Let's talk about sizing. The Robelle cover is designed for a 24-foot round pool but measures a generous 28 feet to account for an overlap. This extra material is essential for securing the cover properly, ensuring that it stays in place throughout the winter. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included all-weather cable and heavy-duty winch. These features allow for a snug fit, ensuring the cover won't blow away in strong winds. Just attach the winch to the grommets placed every 4 feet along the edge, and you're all set. And don't worry if it's your first time. Robelle provides clear instructions, making the installation process a simple one for everyone, regardless of your skill level. Now, let's take a moment to talk about value. Priced at around $82.96, this cover is not only a wise investment but also a cost-effective way to protect your pool from the elements. When you consider the potential costs of maintenance and repairs caused by winter damage, it's clear that this cover pays for itself. In summary, the Robelle 3724-4 Supreme Winter Pool Cover is an excellent choice for any above-ground pool owner looking to protect their investment. With its durable construction, generous sizing, and ease of installation, it truly stands out as the best option available. If you're interested in purchasing this pool cover, you can find a link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product critiques. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and happy winterizing. We'll see you next time.